Hi guys, I'm Anisha. Today we will be covering a topic on EC2 instance plus SNS. So here basically what we are gonna do is we will be creating one EC2 instance and we will be adding a alerts. So alert in the sense we should be notified whenever our EC2 instance ka CPU utilization goes beyond 80% or 60%. Okay, so for doing this, what we need is we need one EC2 instance, one CloudWatch to collect the metrics, and SNS. SNS is nothing but notification service. Okay, so these are the three things we need. So let's go and create a EC2 instance first. So here for testing purpose, I will be creating a normal EC2 instance. So same this replica you can do for your actual projects. So first I will launch one instance. So okay, let's keep name test. Okay, then I will be selecting a Ubuntu. So I will keep 24.04 LTS. Okay, here I will select T2 Nano. Okay, so then rest I will keep as it is. I will just allow HTTPS and HTTP, which is 443 port and 80 port. So storage I will keep 8 GB, that's fine. And quickly I will create a long instance. So here I no need any key pair, so I am not gonna create. In your case you can create it. Okay, so let's save it. Okay, so I'm gonna connect to my EC2 instance using connect. So I will be doing this EC2 instance connect. So let's connect. Okay, so out of three parts our one part is completed. We have created a EC2 instance. Now let's go for the next part. Next part will be a SNS. So let's search for the SNS. So SNS is nothing but simple notification service. SNS is nothing but it uses any protocol like email. By using SNS, you can send messages and many more. So in our case, we will go with emails. So here we need to verify our emails so that whenever the alerts will be there, we will get a emails. So I'm gonna go for SNS. Okay, so here click on this. So first thing is you have to create one topic. After creating a topic, you need to add a subscription. Adding subscription is nothing but adding your email and confirming it. So I will be creating or adding clicking on create topic. Okay, I will go with the standard. So I will keep okay, I will keep as we are doing for EC2. Okay, I will keep as a EC2 alerts. Display name is optional, so I will leave everything and just create a topic. So now my topic is created. So EC2 alert is a topic name. Okay, next step what I said is we need to add a subscription. So let's add it. So you have to click on the create subscription. Okay, so here protocol as I said, we have so many protocols. So we are going with the email, but in your case you can use SMS or SQS, Lambda, anything whichever you want. So I need an email, so I will be going to use email. So my email is DevOps with Anisha. So DevOps with Anisha at gmail.com I'm gonna use. So create subscription. Okay, now main thing. Whenever you create a subscription, you can see here status is in pending. So pending confirmation, what does mean? When it will become, when your status becomes confirmed or success, I will let you know. When you create a subscription, I use DevOps with Anisha email, so I will be getting a email from a AWS saying the confirmation email. I need to confirm that. So this is okay. This is my email. See, I have got from the AWS notification. I will click on that. See, here you can see a confirm subscription. So just click on that. So by just clicking on that, you says that you are confirming it. So subscription is confirmed. Okay, now just go back and see. See, now I will refresh it. See, it now it's the status is it is confirmed. So our SNS part is also completed. We have completed EC2 part, we have completed SNS part. Now we are remaining with last part, that is CloudWatch. Now comes our actual part. In CloudWatch is the one where it collects all the metrics, collects all the logs. So whenever your EC2 instance goes or hits CPU utilization above 60%, this CloudWatch will be having a track on that. So whenever it goes above 60%, this CloudWatch metrics is connected to our SNS. So through there, our email is we have added in the subscription. So to that email, it will send a mail saying that your EC2 instance is gone behind 60% CPU utilization. So we will go to the CloudWatch first. Okay, so this is CloudWatch. Okay. So here what we need to do is we have to add one alarm. Alarm is nothing but adding a alerts. So go to all alarms. Here you need to create one alarm. Okay, select the metric. Here what we need a EC2 call. So click on EC2. Here pre-instance metric. Here you can see our test EC2. See, these all are test EC2. This is our test EC2. Check for the CPU utilization here. See, this is the CPU utilization. Just click on that. So what metric we need is we are creating this for CPU utilization metric. So this is our instance. This is our instance ID, and metric which we need is CPU utilization. Same way you can do for memory utilization, disk space, disk disk used, everything. So right now I am going for the CPU utilization. So I will be selecting the metric. So now here metric name is CPU utilization. This is my instance ID and this is my instance name. So what you need? I need an average. So you can keep this period as like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 minute, anything. For now what I will do, I will keep it on 10 seconds. So for testing purpose. It's better if we keep for 5 minutes or 1 minute. That could be the better. Okay, I'm gonna do for 10 seconds. So you can see here my metrics. Right now it is only 2.91%. So here this is the safest part. What we are gonna set is we are gonna set for the 60% or 50%. Let's do for 50%. So static. So here I will take this one. Is if it is greater or equal to 50%. This is a 50%. Then it should notify me. I will be clicking on the next. So okay. Okay, now here send a notification to the following SNS topic. So already we have created a SNS topic. So we will go with select an existing SNS topic. So whenever you click here, you will get your existing one. So just click here. So whenever you click here, you will get the email. So obviously I have verified this email. So whenever EC2 goes, EC2 CPU utilization goes above the 50%, this for this email, I will get a mail saying that CPU went high. So let's test it. So what I will do is I will just click on next. Okay. Now I have to set one alarm name. So let's give EC2 utilization. This is fine, I guess, and everything is fine. So we'll do next. So here it shows that 50% is the limit we have kept. So just everything is proper. We have reviewed it. Let's create a alarm. So our alarm is created. Okay. Now the thing is how you will be gonna test, because I have when I showed you it was just 2 to 3%. So how can you wait for the 50%? In real life, in real projects, in real EC2 instance, yeah, obviously, whenever the loads are high, whenever the traffic is high, the CPU goes high. If the CPU goes high, you will be notified saying that CPU went high. In case if you have an auto scaling part and you have set a alarm for the 50%, think your CPU utilization went above 50%. If the auto scaling group is present, then your old instance will get cut off and new instance will be created. So in our case, what we will do is, we will right now for testing purpose, what we will be going to do is, we will add some stress in our EC2 instance just to test that if you are getting a notification saying that it is greater than, I mean the CPU utilization is more than 50%. So let's go to our back to our EC2 instance. Okay, connect it. So this is my a new server. Here I have nothing deployed. So here utilization is just a 1 2 or maximum 3%. So I may need to put little bit more stress. So before putting a stress, there is a command to manually add a stress for just testing purpose. Before that, we need to do something like sudo apt update. First we will be updating it and we will be installing a stress package. Then we can add a stress. We will what here I will be gonna do is, I will add 12 CPU stress for 90 seconds. Then we will see if our EC2 ka CPU utilization goes beyond 50%. In case if it goes, then we have to get an email. So, in your case, don't directly go for the 12%. I am using 12 CPU just because my instance is fully clear. I mean, there is nothing deployed, there is nothing. It is just fully free. So, in your case, in your actual projects, don't do this. Just first test with a 2 CPU, then go with 4, then go with 8. Slowly go step by step. So, this is done. So, sudo apt install stress. I will do stress -1. So let's wait it to complete. Okay, so now I will add a command. I'm gonna add stress on my EC2 instance stress. So -hyphen CPU, I will add some 12 CPU ka. So timeout I'm gonna add some 90. 90 here it works in seconds. So 90 is nothing but 1.5 seconds. So I will just add it. So it is running. Now just go back to your EC2. Here monitoring. Here you can see your CPU. Just click on here and enlarge it. So I will not keep UTC time zone. I will change it to local time zone and I will keep for 1 hour, and here I will change to 1 second. Okay. So this is average. We have kept for average 50%. So let's wait till 90 seconds. Let's wait until it goes to 50%. In case if it doesn't go 50%, we will increase the CPU for testing purpose. So our 12 CPU is still there. So here it is not going more than 14%. So I think I should increase the CPU size. Okay, it went till 30. Let's wait till it goes above 50. So seems like it is not going above. So let's go back and add about, oh, I had add CPU 12. Let's add 16. But while you are trying, please do it with 2, 4, 8 so that you can see a proper, you will get a proper idea how stress is gonna add when the CPU increases. How, I mean, when a CPU gets more, how the stress is gonna, how your stress and CPU utilization ka graph you have varies. You can see that. So right now I will go with 16. So let's wait until it goes above 50. So it went above 35. So let's see. Okay, it went above 60%. Now we have to receive one email. See, we have already received an email saying that CPU utilization, just see here. You are receiving this email because Amazon CloudWatch EC2 utilization in the Mumbai region has entered the alarm state. You can say here, state change from insufficient data to alarm. Alarm is nothing but our 50% alarm. Here you can see. See, here you can see it became, it went above 64%. So our limit was 50%. When it went above 50%, we got the mail. So this is the mail. So hope you got the idea how this alarm system works. So this alarm system you can use for anything, like simple notification service is really very good. It doesn't only alert you only for the CPU utilization, but you can also use this for lambda things, or well, like many things, like for triggering SMS for the customers, such thing. You can use it for many other services, like with SQS you can use it. So this is SNS is nothing but mainly we are using for the notification purpose. So whenever, right now what we did is, we added a CPU, we added one notification with the CloudWatch. CloudWatch is the main here. CloudWatch does all the works. So CloudWatch tracks your EC2 instance per CPU, memory, disk, everything. Each and everything logs. Whatever happens in your EC2 instance, every logs you can see in a CloudWatch. So CloudWatch is the main person here. So CloudWatch will track your EC2 instance. So whenever the CPU utilization goes above 50, in case if you have kept for 80%, so until 80% it reaches, it doesn't send you any notification. Only once it hits 80%, then you will receive. So here in our case we have kept it for the 50%, so it went for the 64%, we received this email. So yeah, this is, that's it. So this was our concept for today. I will see you in my next video. So let me know on which concept I have to do my next videos. Please comment and subscribe too. Thank you. Bye.